Come on, girls. Holy chihuahua. Ding. Here's my phone number. Text me. Will you send me your book? Okay. What happened to her? Ain't no right. Awkward. Wow. Like, this is amazing. Oh yeah. Bling, 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 bling. Everyone get out of the hallways. Time to go. After class. Oh my god, guys. That was like the worst assignment ever. Tell me about it. Where are the girls? I know, it was. Now, did we have to talk about again? Oh, hey? What do you want? Nothing. Whatever. Hey, why don't you trip her? Okay. So, your yearbooks are fantastic. Yeah. I know. Right. Man. Sorry, bro. I gotta go. But you only have lunch pretty much. What about your other friends? I have to get to my first class. Hey man, what's going on? Wow, your friends are so lame-istic. You shouldn't be friends with them anymore. I know, right. Ew. Oh. What's going on? Ew. Boom, 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 boom. I'm getting a text. Yes. Awkward. Sorry, you found your phone on the floor. Move it, Tiny. Oh my god. Can't you believe that? I know. You walk away, smiling down, hanging down with the frown. Are you okay? Awkward. Remember, party tonight, my house. You're going. Okay? Be there in a Twitch. Bye.